The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina, northeastern Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina until 5:45 p.m. At 4:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Waccamaw, 9 miles east of Lakeville, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-flat hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lake Waccamaw, Sandy Field, Lagoon, Covers, Council, Kelly, Crusoe Island, Bolton, and East Arcadia. This includes the West Route 74 between mile markers 399 and 415. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county, Bladen, North Carolina. The National Weather